Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation ng Unit 3 which is all about inverse function. After knowing the concept of one-to-one function and how to determine one-to-one function in different representation, ang kasunod na lesson nito is about the inverse of a function. This lesson involves the steps on finding the inverse of a function. Let's answer example number 1. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. The steps on finding the inverse of a function is consist of 4. Let's start with step number 1. Replace f of x with y. Ang ibig sabihin nun ay itong notation natin na f of x ay papalitan lang natin ng variable y. So ito ay magiging y is equal to 2x plus 1. Step number 2 is to interchange x and y. Ang ibig sabihin nun is pagpapalitin natin yung position ng x and y. Itong y natin ay gagawin nating x at ang 2x ay gagawin nating 2y. Kaya x is equal to 2y plus 1. The next step, step number 3 is we're going to solve for y in terms of x. In order for us to solve for the value of y, i-transfer natin or i-transpose natin yung positive 1 sa left. So ito ay magiging x minus 1 is equal to 2y. Dahil may coefficient yung y na 2, let's divide both sides by 2 para ma-divide yung 2 divided by 2 at matira na lang yung y. Therefore, ang ating y is equal to x minus 1 all over 2. So ito na yung value ng y, ito na yung ating inverse. The last step is step number 4. We're going to replace y with f raised to negative 1 of x to denote that our answer is the inverse. So ito ay papalitan lang natin ng notation. Therefore, ang ating inverse is f raised to negative 1 of x is equal to x minus 1 all over 2. Let's have additional example. Example number 2. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to x minus 2 all over 2x plus 3. Again, ang steps of finding the inverse of a function is composed of 4. Step number 1 is replace f of x with y. So, papalitan lang natin yung notation ng f of x ng variable y. Kaya ito ay magiging y is equal to x minus 2 all over 2x plus 3. Ang ating step number 2 is interchange x and y. Pagpapalitin natin yung position ng x and y. Itong y natin ay gagawin natin x. Itong x sa numerator ay gagawin nating y. At yung 2x sa denominator ay gagawin nating 2y. Kaya ito ay magiging x is equal to y minus 2 all over 2y plus 3. After that is step number 3. We're going to solve for y in terms of x. Dahil ito ay single expression sa left at ito ay single fraction sa kanan, pwede na tayong mag-cross multiplication. Itong x ay i-multiply natin sa 2y plus 3. At may iwan sa kanan yung y minus 2. Kaya ang next line of solution is x times the quantity of 2y plus 3 is equal to y minus 2. Then, i-distribute natin itong x. X times 2y is 2xy. Then, x times 3 is 3x. Kaya, 2xy plus 3x is equal to y minus 2. Then, pagsamahin natin sa left side lahat ng may y variable. So, may iwan dito yung 2xy, itatranspose natin yung y. Then, yung positive 3x, itatranspose naman natin sa kanan. Kaya, ito ay magiging 2xy minus y is equal to negative 3x minus 2. Then, i-factor out natin yung y. So y times the quantity of 2x minus 1. Dahil y times 2x is 2xy, then y times negative 1 is negative y. Para ma-solve natin yung y, i-divide natin both sides with 2x minus 1. Para ma-divide tong 2x minus 1 at matira na lang ang y. Therefore, ang ating y is equal to negative 3x minus 2 all over 2x minus 1. Since this is the answer for y, that is the inverse. Step number 4 is we're going to replace y with the notation of f raised to negative 1 of x. Therefore, ang ating inverse is f raised to negative 1 of x is equal to negative 3x minus 2 all over 2x minus 1. Let's have one more example. Example number 3. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to x cubed plus 4. Step number 1 is replace f of x with y. So itong f of x ay magiging y. Y is equal to x cubed plus 4. And then step number 2 is interchange x and y. Pagpalitin natin ang posisyon ng x and y, ang y ay magiging x, ang x cube ay magiging y cube. Kaya x is equal to y cube plus 4. Then step number 3 is solve for y in terms of x. Itatranspose natin yung negative 4 sa kaliwa. So ito ay magiging x minus 4 is equal to y cube. Dahil ang y natin ay naka-exponent na 3, para mawala yung exponent na 3, kunin natin ang cube root of both sides. So cube root of x minus 4 is equal to cube root of y cube. Mawawala na yung ating cube root at yung exponent na 3, matitira na lang ang y. Therefore, y is equal to cube root of x minus 4. Dahil ito na yung nakuha natin sa ating y, yan yung inverse. Step number 4 is we're going to replace y with the inverse notation, f raised to negative 1 of x. Therefore, ang ating inverse is f raised to negative 1 of x is equal to cube root of x minus 4. This is the step-by-step procedure on how to determine the inverse of a function. This is the end of our lesson about inverse of a function. It covers the step-by-step procedure on how to determine the inverse of a function. The next topic will be the composition of a function and its inverse.